Hi, I'm Peggy Berns, owner of Berns Landscaping. If you're a homeowner in Birmingham or Metro Detroit and you're looking for reliable, high-quality landscape maintenance, this is what we do season after season. Here's what's included in our residential maintenance services. A premier cleanup. For new clients, we often start with the premier cleanup, which can include weeding, shrub trimming, bed edging, ornamental pruning, mulching, and much more. After the cleanup, we offer ongoing maintenance, which includes garden care, maintaining the garden beds, deadheading perennials, cultivating the soil or mulch, trimming shrubs, and checking the plant health care throughout the season. Our lawn mowing services include comprehensive mowing and edging to keep your lawn clean and under control. Our organic approach to lawn care uses sustainable lawn care practices to deliver healthy green results while minimizing chemical use. Our pest control program plans help protect your yard from mosquitoes and invasive pests as well as deer and rabbits. We handle seasonal treatments, color installation, and leaf removal so your landscape looks sharp all year long. You'll never have to juggle multiple contractors. Our trained team handles it all, including irrigation and tree care. We even have certified arborists to solve problems quickly and professionally. We stand behind everything we do with our drama-free guarantee. If something's not right, just let us know. We'll make it right. No drama, no delays. Whether your landscape is simple or complex, we'll create a custom maintenance plan just for your property, so you can enjoy your yard without worrying about the details. To get started, fill out the form on our website at bernslandscape.com. Expert maintenance, zero drama, guaranteed.